Hi buddies, it's me, Gigi. Today we are going to make some Christmas ornaments out of pipe cleaners. These ornaments are so cute and also fast and easy to make. For this project, all you need are some pipe cleaners and a pair of scissors. Let's start by making a Christmas wreath out of red and green. For this project, you'll need 2 green pipe cleaners for the wreath and a red pipe cleaner for the bow. Let's start by weaving the green strands together. At the top, put 2 of them together and carefully twist it a couple of times so it'll stay in place. And now to weave our wreath. Twist the 2 pipe cleaners around the index finger of one hand. Now twist the pipe cleaners to tighten it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now remove your finger and do the same thing again. Twist the pipe cleaners around your finger and twist 3 times. Continue that process until you get to the end. Simply twist the little strands around each other to tighten it. Now let's make our wreath into a circle shape. Bring the 2 ends around and close up your circle. Now twist the ends around each other to tighten. I want to make sure my 2 strands of green are visible at every part of the wreath. Just gently wiggle it until you get the shapes in a design that you like. Now we can move on to the bow. We'll need this red one. Fold it in half. Take one end of your pipe cleaner and wiggle it around to make a little loop shape. I like a loop that's just a little bit bigger than my finger. Take the short end of the pipe cleaner and wrap it around to secure your loop. Now let's take the other end of the pipe cleaner and make a matching loop on the other side. Twist it around and bring this end up, over, and down. Now we've made our bow. So pick up your wreath and locate the ends where your wreath has been tied together. Right here is where we're going to attach the bow. Place your bow on top of the wreath and bring one end of the bow down, around, and through your wreath. Repeat for the other side of your bow. This will secure the bow tightly onto the wreath. The final step is to trim these extra ends of the bow. I like to have about an inch hanging down from my wreath. Terrific! Let's move on to the next one. How about a candy cane? We'll need a red pipe cleaner and a white pipe cleaner. Let's wind them both together. Start at the top and twist the ends together a couple of times tightly to make sure they don't come apart. And now just work your way down the pipe cleaners, twisting them together. Once you get to the end, twist the ends together tightly to make sure the pipe cleaners don't come apart. So I'll take my scissors and I'll cut it approximately in the middle. And now I have 2 red and white strands. Take one end of it and just fold it over until you get a candy cane shape that you're happy with. There, I like that. Do the same for your other piece. Well, that was easy. Now that our candy canes are complete, let's place those to the side. Let's make a snowflake. For this ornament, I'm going to use 3 different colors of pipe cleaner. 1 white one, 1 light blue one, and 1 medium blue one. So to start, I'm going to take my medium blue pipe cleaner and fold it into 3 approximately equal pieces. Then cut at the folds. So now let's attach them together in the traditional snowflake shape. Lay your pipe cleaners on top of each other and twist them together in the center. 1 twist, 2 twists, 3 twists should do it. Now let's even out our snowflake shape. If you find that a couple of ends are slightly longer or shorter than the others, just take your scissors and cut the long ends to match the shorter ends. Continuing on, let's take our light blue pipe cleaner. And now let's make a web shape that goes all around the outside of our snowflake. Take your light blue pipe cleaner and wind it around the top of one of the sides of your snowflake. Once you have it firmly attached, carry it over to the next one. And now loop it around And continue the process all the way around the edges of your snowflake. Once you get back to the beginning, wrap your pipe cleaner around and trim off the extra. Looking great so far. Let's take our white pipe cleaner to add the last decorative touches. Start by folding it in half. Take your scissors and cut at the fold. We need to fold them each into thirds. This will yield us 6 approximately equal pieces of pipe cleaner. And cut at the fold. And repeat for the other half. Now take one of your pieces and take one end of your snowflake and wrap the piece around the end. Wrap the end around once and twice to get it secure. Now repeat that all the way around your snowflake. And now the final step is to take your scissors and trim the ends down. I like to have just a tiny little bit of white poking out at the edges. And there you have it. Well, that was so much fun! Let's review what we made today. A super cool wreath, 2 awesome candy canes, and a lovely winter snowflake. Now your ornaments are ready to be hung up. You can tie a piece of string or fishing line around them, or a metal ornament hook, or you can just hang them up on your tree just like this. Whatever you decide to do, I hope you have a wonderful time making your own ornaments. I'll see you again soon.